Okay, so now that our surface here is cleaned, okay, we're going to go ahead and commence rolling the dough. All right. So here's your dough again, stored overnight. Just going to unwrap the cellophane there, and then pretty much first you want to flour the surface. So you just go ahead and grab a handful of flour and just kind of hit it like so. Okay, and then spread it out a bit so you don't have too much. And then just another thing I like to do is grab a little bit of flour and hit the top of that so when you reach your hand in there, you don't get too sticky. And then just rip off a bit. And then kind of flatten it out. Okay, and now at this point, this is again up to your discretion on how thin you want them. I like to roll it thin because when I go to drop them in the fryer, they'll actually balloon up a lot more than. But if you leave it thicker, you won't get a hollow effect, and they won't puff up quite as much. But it's really just your preference, so you just play around with it. So then just roll the dough back and forth, like so. Okay, and you also may flour the surface from time to time to keep it from sticking to your pin. Okay, and then just roll it out like this. Okay, and then, so it's stretched out pretty thin. So as you can see, a little bit of dough goes a long way.